what we're working with down here. This is our tent. Here's the water.
His mouth's like wide open. You trying to catch something?
Was that fun? Can you get me?
Did you move that little ball?
Come get me. Come get me. Oh, I missed. Come get me.
Get him, Hunter.
Missed. Get me. Oh, you got me. Hunter, you got me. You got me. You get me.
We're camping. I don't know where we're camping, but we're camping. It's beautiful out here. It's nice and cool, not hot, but it's raining.
Yeah, and look who we're with. Hunt Man!
He's having fun. So yeah, we had a good time yesterday, but we got like a small little drip coming in now, so we're just trying to pack up.
What did Mike tell us? We're sleeping in what?
A river. So we kind of got a river going through where your tent is. Mike came over to give us hot coffee and said, wow, you guys got a little river going through.
Going straight through the tent?
Probably underneath the tent. No, and that makes sense because it's probably going right through here where I was sleeping because my pad has wet spots on it.
Dang.
So that's okay. Hunter's happy. He stayed warm.
Nice. Hunter, did you get wet at all? No?
No.
Okay, that's good. Did you get wet, bug?
Just a little.
So, I packed up most of this stuff at like 1 o'clock in the morning. Our kayak was over here, but I had to kayak it across the lake in the dark. And so now all we got is the Easy Up and the tent to go. But it is quite the adventure, and Hunter loves it. Don't you, Hunter?
Okay, it's coming down pretty good
Oh,
now.
yeah.
Yeah, we do have water forming out here.
There we go. Yeah, it
We
is.
actually are kind of in a river. Wait, let me see. So there's water there. And that's a slope, you can't really tell.
Nice. All right, guys, we're gonna pack up and welcome to the vlog. All right, time to pack Hunter up.
Here we go. Should we wait for Daddy to get his boots on?
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Nah, I think we're just packing up.
But do we want to put him in there?
Oh yeah, sure.
You want to go in there? Come on. Woo! There's a river starting to form. Yeah.
Wow, this is crazy. There was one other time that we went camping in the rain, and that was in Brazil. And it was at least warm there. It's cold here. We're having a good time though. That's going directly under our tent. There it is. You guys having fun?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so what, we're gonna
Fine, it's just a little different cleanup.
we're just gonna run into the truck and put the bubbas in now?
Yeah.
Are you ready, bubbas? Should I go first or second?
You're gonna go first and get open the door.
Okay, 1, 2, 3,
Ready?
go.
Here we go. Woo! Here we go. Oh, okay, goodbye. There we go. Okay. Enough, are we? Okay. Here we go, Bubba's. Okay, I'm gonna take you out of your blankie for a minute. You're gonna feel some sprinkles. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Are you feeling sprinkles? Ah. Okay. So the other option is if you're just gonna throw it in the back, you can just kind of fold it all up with the tent.
Okay, so let's go down and get the kayak and then organize the back of the truck, and then we'll be able to throw the rest of the stuff in.
Okay. I need my coffee first.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi. What did you just say now?
I just said the rain is really weird. It's not like a heavy downpour, but it's very wet. I don't know if that makes any sense to you.
Yeah, but packing this up, it's a lot easier than it's been in the past.
Yeah.
So I paddled across this lake from the dam way over there
Can't even see it.
last night at 12:30 because I didn't want to carry the kayak up the hill. It's kind of scary because it was pitch black. I did have a little flashlight though. You can talk and stuff.
We're trying to tear down the tent. This is what we slept in last night. This is a slope, but you can't really tell. That slopes all the way down. You can see the river goes right where we put our tent.
We ran through it.
We stayed dry though, for the most part. Very muddy.
So we're just gonna take the tent stuff and wrap it up in the tarp and take care of the stuff at home.
Yeah, we can hose it off when we get there. We're just gonna throw it in the back. We need one of those.
I wonder if you could just throw that in the water.
Maybe.
We are all packed up. There's the empty spot. There's Lene and Bug.
I'm drenched.
Yeah. Lene helped us clean everything up. It was awesome.
It's tropical until it hit the altitude.
Yeah. Yeah, because it's cold.
Yeah, high to 60, and it hasn't got the high yet.
This is supposed to be a tropical storm.
Lene,
It's definitely wet.
thanks for inviting us.
You're welcome.
It was fun. It was
an
adventurous.
adventure.
Yeah.
Hunter loved it.
Yeah. It
I'm
was
glad
good.
we like camping.
Alright, well, it was a good time being up here. Went fishing. I caught 2 catfish on a Ford Fender. I was trolling for trout and I caught 2 catfish. They're like 8 inches. I'll show you some pictures right here. But yeah, it's pretty fun. Probably gonna come up here again next year when the Eversons come up too. But yeah, Hunter had a blast, and thanks for watching, guys. Peace. Just kidding, we're not done yet. We got back home, and now it's unload time. Hunter, you ready?
Go show Daddy.
Show me.
Show him how you throw it.
Whoa! Dang, dude! Hunter! Hunter!
Wait, right here.
Hunter! Hunter, where you going?
It's right here. Look, right here.
Hunter, you've been throwing rocks so much lately camping that you're getting really good at throwing those little spiky ball seeds. Yeah. You ready? You can do it again?
Whoa!
Dang!
You got all the way to mommy. Right here.
Go get it, dude!
Right here.
Alright, so we got home from camping. We're gonna go ahead and unload all this stuff now. And this is the worst part of the trip. Even worse than sleeping in the rain.
Hunter.
We got a mess. Goosh. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff. Oh well, it's all part of it.
Oh, here. Okay.
You wanna grab that end?
Sure. You got it?
Yep.
Hi, good, how are you?
Hey.
Hi, baby. Say hi. We went camping.
Oh, you just coming back?
Yes, we're unloading. It rained.
Alright, now we're for real bye. So, peace out, homies. We're gonna finish this up and get some rest because I gotta go to work tomorrow. Like, subscribe, share. Peace.
Hunter says peace.
Peace. Can you say it, dude? Say peace. Say, Hunter. Hunter, say peace.